Hey guys, it's Angie. Welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you have been messaging me asking, where the heck have you been? Have you quit eBay? Did you go back to work full time? And I just wanted to answer those questions and more and just say, welcome back. So if you have been following along in my journey, you know that I've been MIA for a few months, and I just wanted to explain why. Number one, no, I did not go and find another job, though I will admit that I did contemplate that. And no, I didn't stop selling on eBay. I will admit that in the summer, I was a little burnout from YouTube, but I had a lot of things behind the scenes that were going on, so I kind of faded into the background while I was taking care of those things. Well, over the last several months, I ended up having 2 surgeries, and quite honestly, I had very long recoveries, about 8 weeks, and I'm finally starting to feel like myself again. So that makes me really happy, and that I have the motivation and the energy to get back to eBay. Now, the downside of that is when you're self-employed and eBay is your only business, if you get sick or are in the hospital, if you're not listing, no money is coming in. That has been a big challenge for me in that during my recovery time, I really couldn't list a whole lot, or I definitely could not go out and source. And so my income has fallen dramatically. So I did contemplate going out and finding another job, but realistically, I love eBay and I love being self-employed, and I just decided that this is part of the life of being self-employed. When you have a bad time or you can't list as much, you just have to be prepared for that. And then as soon as you can, you work extra hard to build up and start over again. So that is what I'm doing. I am working to rebuild up my eBay store. Now granted, it's not like I didn't make any money. I have 2,200 listings, but you know how eBay is. If you're not listing, they're not pushing your items out. But now I am back to listing, trying to do listings every day. I'm going to really challenge myself starting December 1st to list a minimum number every single day to get my store built back up and get these sales rolling again, which is what I'd like to do. In the meantime, I just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone who checked in on me, just sent me messages asking where I was or that you were thinking about me. I feel terrible because I didn't feel well and I didn't respond to anyone, and I am so sorry for that, but I just wasn't sure what I was going to be doing, and I just felt like out of sorts. Like, I missed everybody so much, but I was like, I'm not doing it, and I didn't know what to say. Unfortunately, I ignored a lot of messages. I apologize for that, and I will definitely respond as much as I can. It really meant the world to me that people reached out and thought of me, even though I've been gone for quite a while. So that brings me to my YouTube channel. What's going on with that? Well, when I originally started YouTube, it was to help me be motivated to keep listing and to share my sales. Because I kind of figured that if you don't source and you don't list, you don't have sales. So what the heck was I going to talk about on the channel? So it definitely helped me stay on track and get me motivated to keep the algorithm working in my favor. And I miss it, quite honestly, guys. I miss my YouTube friends and just being here and being a part of the eBay community and the reseller community. So I just want to start back and share my story again. And I hope that you will have me back because I really just enjoy being a part of your life and having y'all be a part of my story as well. So basically, my goal moving forward is to stay on track, make sure I'm listing daily, keep sourcing any chance that I get, and sharing my progress with you. Of course, we're going to talk about great little finds and hints and tips along the way, but I hope that you will still be here and still be a part of my journey, because Honestly, guys, your friendships mean the world to me, and I just missed everyone so much. Okay, well, I guess that's it. Hey, you see the tree is up and I got Santa back there. Hope that everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I can't believe December is this week already. I'm just looking forward to see what the future holds for all of us together. So if anyone has any questions or anything that you want answered or anything happening with my life that you want to know, leave a message below. I'll be sure to answer them on the next video. And thanks. Again, thanks for being here. This year has taught me to be grateful, for sure, for the time that we have and for the friendships that we develop. And gosh, guys, I am really thankful for you for being here. And after this much time, you're here watching this video. Thank you. So I don't know what else to say, but thank you. And I look forward to seeing a lot of you and catching up, and let's see what this next year brings for us, okay? All right. I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.